So now we are going to use the stream. So why we have to use a stream? So when we are going to deal with the large file, on that time we need to send the data into chunks. So the read write operation could take quite like high time, and we have to utilize more memory. So in that scenario, definitely we have to use a stream. So what we can do, we can read the file using fs, and we have to serve it over HTTP connection as soon as like our chunks is ready to be sent. So here what we are going to use mainly, here we will also use the pipe. Pipe is used for the pipeline the file stream to the HTTP response. Here you can see I'm already having one port number here, 3000 port, and once it will run it will show like hello. So I'll just go and run first of all. So here you can see I have run the server. Now I will come, I will just use here local host, then our port number is 3000, and once it will run you can see here it is showing here hello. So here I am going to use the string. So here I will define our constant as a stream, then I will use fs, then I will use create read stream. If you open here, you can see here first parameter is path and next one is optional. So what we are going to use, I will just go and I will just use normal as path over here, test file dot txt. Then I will use stream. Here I no need to use this one, I will just use a stream dot pipe. So here I will use res, that means response. So you can see I have used here stream, then I'm using read stream. Here I am going to give our file name, that file is stored here, and after that I am going to use pipe. This pipe is responsible for the HTTP response. So just run here, come here and run this one. Here you can see here we are getting the data, hi, how are you? So this is a way to send the response using the pipe. So here if you are having larger data you can go and use create read stream. So it will do, that means like it will read your file in a stream, small chunks, then it will send the response over HTTP connection. So in next video we are going to see how to write the file.